clover.
May bunga oh. Cherry tomato.
Ethan, look, clover. And now just bite me.
Ito, romaine. Ah, this one oh. Lettuce.
Ew, algae.
Yeah. May kamatis dito.
Okay lang po yun. Natubo lang yan dyan gawa.
Ganyan should teach you.
Okay, it's come here. Okay, go there, go there.
May may bunga na din sa.
Iwan nyo lang yung 1 to 2 leaves na hindi na pwede like this.
Like
This
yung
one
mga...
iwan nyo lang yung mga dry leaves na may ganyan, cut nyo sa ilalim. Kasi yan, pakain yan sa tortoise. Ayan, ito lang yung kukunin natin yung good leaves na ganito, okay? And after cutting ng ilan nito, pwede kayo... Wait, Alex. Dito ka sa side ni Kuya. Come here, this one natin. Yung mga malalaki kunin natin. Ang gusto mo.
So may pinaka-stem mo ano yun. I leave the ano.
Let's just leaves. Just one. You can cut this dito. Lower.
Lower.
Like that. Nice one.
Yay, first time.
Go, you can pick what you want, then cut it.
This one?
No, wait one.
Wait, si Ethan naman muna.
So you can cut this
Huwag
one.
puro pare-pareho, Alex.
This one too. Yeah.
This
No,
one.
no.
I don't know. This one. No, this side. You can cut this side. Lower. Yan.
Cut the stem, Ethan.
Yan.
Like this.
Yes, that's correct.
This one.
So later na si Ethan muna. So, saka you'll get others pa.
This one. And cut mo sa ilalim. No.
Oh, they're
Like
so
this.
cute.
Cut mo yung buong stem. Hold mo the scissors. Tapos pag ganyan yung cut. Yan. Sa pinakailalim. Tapos hold mo to pagka-cut mo. Yan.
Hold the top yan. There, cut.
Go. More.
More.
Other one.
There.
Oh, see?
Basket.
Yung nalaglag.
Okay lang
Pang
po yan.
tortoise
Wala
na
yan.
daw.
Yung mga natira lang dyan yung pang tortoise. Okay, you can cut the red one if you want.
Masarap sa salad.
Yeah. Sa red one naman po, ang pagkakat ng red is okay lang sa kanila na isang leaves yung ititira nyo sa ilalim. Oh, go. Like this one natin, try mong i-leave tong isang to. Tapos
Baba mo
cut
muna
mo
sa
lang.
floor.
Make sure to leave one leaf, okay? No, cut it
Like that.
Yan,
Oh,
yan.
see? Very
And
good.
then at the bottom.
Ano?
Very
Oh,
good.
this one, you can cut the other one. Yan, pwede. Yes, you can cut that one.
Pinababa pa.
Yan,
Get,
okay na po
get
yan.
all yan.
Yan. Yes po, okay lang po yan kung gusto mo po. Alam po ba natin na may specific, okay lang. Alam po ba natin na may specific date lang sa pag-harvest ng lettuce? 25 to 50 days lang po sila. After po kasi ng 50 days, this one po yan. This one is better.
Okay na Alex, later. We will get some more pa kasi.
Ayun po, pwede rin yung green. Oh, this one oh. Para mas malaki. Go. Mas okay kuya na iput mo na lang sa ganito yung...
Dali. No na Alex, pas mo. Baka hindi natin makain kasi.
Mas mag-aaltabok siya.
We'll get others na makakain.
Let's get the green one.
On top of the...
Green lettuce. Okay lang po yan, sir. Go lang.
Dito picture na ba?
And no. Di ba may dry leaves? So ikakat mo siya sa mas mataas. Itira mo yung mga dry leaves. Yan, like that.
There.
Wow.
Oh, come here, kuya.
Ethan.
Ito yung normal na kinakain natin para isa sa salad. Very nice.
Puso tayo. Picture ng
Yeah. Very good.
Yay.
What's that one? Why does it have silk growing?
This one called this a wild
Pat more, Ethan. One more.
You're getting
spinach.
Ah.
Wild spinach. Ay, hindi. Spinach yan na may ano na. Flower. Bawal na.
Bawal na.
Like that one.
Put the basket behind
No,
you.
this one.
Put the basket
This
behind
one,
you,
but
Ethan.
don't-
Behind you. There, behind.
Yan, then other one.
Yeah, put it there.
Yeah.
Put it there, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, like that, kuya.
Oh, then you cut celery.
This one, Ethan. Okay. Oh, that's enough na. Sige, at the very bottom. At the very bottom. Bottom.
Lower. Okay lang po yan. And you can cut it the bigger one. Okay yun. You can cut this one at the very bottom like you cut the celery. Like this one.
Tatang mo dyan sa Alex. Sige, tatang.
Now you can put it you like this, cut at the bottom. Okay?
here?
Yeah. And how about you? Can I borrow yours? Last one. Put this one. Ah, come here.
Okay, one last.
Okay. Cut at the very bottom. You can put it on. It's okay to, hindi naman yan mamamatay.
Yan. Yan, very good.
Kumano.
Sige.
Matigas talaga ang bok choy.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh, see?
At the very bottom. You know their feet.
Kuya, this one has have insect. This one.
May insect na yun.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Ito.
Ito.
This one.
Here, no.
Hindi po, ano lang siya, leaf miner.
Oo.
May mga leaf miner yung iba.
See that? That feet.
So, hindi namin kinukuha yung may mga ganito para dyan sa kanila mapunta yung focus.
Okay.
Yung
Nice.
cut it more. This one natin.
You can get the bok choy.
Last one na lang.
See that? Look at that, okay?
Oo, mag-kilo na siya. Hindi, you can get 2.
Yan.
Last 2. Para sakto siyang half kilo.
Ooh, very good.
Yay!
That's bok choy.
Sarap po. Po yan steam lang tapos
Toyo.
lang?
Oyster.
Oyster.
Ganun kabigat.
Yeah.
Kala ko
Good.
mabibigatan, pero hindi naman.
Half kilo lang.
Hey! Yay!
Yay! Kompleto na.
Yay! Okay na yan? Isa pa.
You got the bok choy?
Tapos sa US, wait lang po.
Ayun na.
Cut siya ng isa pa.
No,
Oh, careful. Your hands on your hands. At the bottom.
Ito, anong ano nito?
Mustasa po.
Mustasa.
Okay.
Yay!
Now, start
Very good.
packing. Let's go to that area.